All right, let's keep this short and sweet. So you have this headset right here, or just like one similar, doesn't really fucking matter. Um, and basically you haven't been using this mic for a long time, and you recently just plugged in this mic right here, and it's not working. Like you can't talk through the headset. So basically what you want to do is plug this mic in just like normal. Hopefully you haven't like damaged it or anything. This works if your shit like isn't fucked up. So just plug it in like normal, like you would. And then what you want to do is you want to go to your dongle. You're gonna have one of these two dongles. I had this one. I don't know how to fucking. Here, can I? No. Okay. Anyways, you're gonna have one of these two dongles. Doesn't really matter. Make sure that your mic's plugged in. Turn this off. For me, it makes games sound horrible, anyways. But the real trick here that messes everybody up is actually on the side of the dongle. And it's like a mute thing. So you want to slide it away from the mute symbol here. So um, yeah, so make sure that that's unchecked, and then if it's still not working, then just come back over here and mash this a lot over and over and over, like and over and over and over and over and over and over, and then eventually it'll start making some noise. And if that doesn't work, then it's probably something to do with like software. So I would just go into your sound settings. Um, I guess I could show you really quick. Just go like here, and then sound settings, sound control panel, and then go to your recordings, and then you're gonna find the one that says your headset mic. And what I did is I left this open um, while I was mashing the dongle right here, while I was mashing the mic button, and just waiting for a response right here on the mic. Um, so yeah, you just pretty much want to do that, and then if you still aren't getting anything, just do like listen, try to listen to the device, and you could hear yourself. I'm not gonna do it because it'd be just terrible to listen to, and then um, I guess that doesn't really matter. But yeah, just make sure that it's not like muted, like or nothing with software. And if that doesn't work, you probably just have a fucking fucked up mic. So, anyways, hope that helped. Thanks for watching. Bye.